when we process. If you say, encounter this ball head-like part. In fact, it can be processed with a G71 Type II. How to program. This video will teach you. So this is the G712 program. So the G71 Type I and the G71 Type II. It's programmed in exactly the same format. Other Type II. It is nothing more than adding an extra W0 to switch to Type II. When do you need to use the G71 Type II? That's where we process it. If the diameter at the back, if it is smaller than the previous diameter, this time, it is necessary to use Type II for processing. First, let's look at the front G0 positioning. X35, the diameter of my blank is 35. So I'm positioned at 35. Just decide how big the rough is. Then Z is positioned 1 mm to your end. The first line of G71 below. U means your knife amount. It is a unilateral value. If you say, if you want to eat 2 mm unilaterally, this is U2. R represents the amount of withdrawal. That's it. It will back away from the top. The distance of this knife retreat. It is controlled by R. Generally, you default to 0.2 to 1 mm. The second line P of G71 represents the beginning of the program. The Q represents the end of the program. The numbers in it are not fixed. For example, the beginning of your program. Here are the words for N1. So you're going to end the P1 program here. What if you gave an N2? You have to give N2 for that Q. As long as the two numbers can correspond, he'll be okay. U represents the balance in the X direction. I left a margin of 10 pieces for finishing. W represents the margin in the Z direction. But when using Type II, this W must not be retained. Remember this. F means your knife speed. Then the beginning of the program. Add a W here in the first paragraph. Is to switch to Type II. If you are using a modern system and the older system, then you have to give an H1 like this. It H1 is switched Type II. Like what wide number and franc and guarantees. They are all in this position. Add a W0. It can represent Type II. It's just that the system is different. Everyone has to distinguish this. This is followed by a coordinate point of the program. Everyone, find the corresponding drawings above. Everyone can find it. After the rough car is over, I used a G70 to finish it. So one of the formats of G70 is P and Q. The same is true for this P. What is the beginning of your program? Then Q is the same. End of program. F, when I finish. A little slower. Give an F0.1. Today's video. And I'm going to share that with you. If there is still something you don't understand, we continue to communicate in the comment area.